Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're making chili, but not just any chili. This is over-the-top chili. This hearty recipe is good for game day or any occasion, and it's sure to please even the biggest appetite. So sit back and relax because we're going to go over the top from start to finish on this one. Start with 2 red bell pepper, 2 green bell pepper, 2 large or 3 medium onions, and 5 cloves of garlic. Give those all a rough chop and get them into your Dutch oven. Add a couple tablespoons of olive oil, then 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now just get in there with your hands and mix everything up well. Then add 28 ounces each of crushed and diced tomato. Stir to combine and then set this aside. Next, place 3 pounds of 80/20 ground beef in a large bowl. Then hit it up with a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce and a generous coating of our LSG Texas Fusion. If you don't have any on hand, head over to our website and place an order or just use your favorite rub. Mix this well to combine and then use your hands to form a flat loaf. Place the meat on a warming rack over the Dutch oven and hit the top of that with some more LSG Texas Fusion. Then just let it hang out while we fire up the pit. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the pit that offers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get your over-the-top chili on the pit, close the lid, and begin cooking. We want to allow this plenty of time to absorb smoke and render flavor into the Dutch oven, and it will take approximately 2.5 hours for it to reach our target temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Once it does, it's time to crumble up the beef and add it to the pot. And just take a look at that beautiful smoke ring. Get that into the Dutch oven and stir it in. Now just add a can of your favorite beer for moisture, stir it once again, close the lid, increase the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 more hours, stirring occasionally. Then remove it from the smoker, allow it to cool, and serve it up just the way you like. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.